Mr. George, also known as Obidiboegu, has emerged the new chairman of Isionyenato, one of the 4 quarters in Enugu-Ukwu, Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, during a keenly contested election organized by the Electoral Committee of Isionyenato Community Development Union, where he pulled 140 votes to defeat his opponent, Mr. Ekene Okonkwo, who got 68 votes, and Mr. Izuchukwu Onwujekwe, who pulled 25 votes. Correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo tells us more.
During the election, we saw the massive turnout of members of Osili, Awovo, and Durubaleke villages that make up the Isionyenato quarter. A 9-member board of trustees, chosen from the 3 villages, were also elected through a voice vote to partner and guide the new executives of the quarter. Speaking shortly after the exercise, the chairman, Isionyenato Reconciliation Committee, Ozom Ujud Ekwunife, chairman of the Electoral Committee, Professor Charles Egolum, and the member representing Njikoka Constituency 1 at the State House of Assembly, Honorable Chidi Ibeemeka, who hails from the area, commended the Isionyenato people on their comportment before, during, and after the election, which they described as first of its kind.
These young people are peace-loving people. They are proud of their heritage. They are proud of where they are coming from, of their community. My advice to them is that they should be watchful, vigilant, and be vigilant, and then work with the executive.
I'm highly optimistic. It's not easy. They are going to see something different. Number 1, unity. Number 2, security, empowerment, development, and infrastructure. Other things that makes life good, I will do it.
While some members of the community, including chiefs Onyeka, Ifekando, and Chinedu, rated the election the most peaceful and transparent witnessed in the area. From Isionyenato, Enugu-Ukwu, in Njikoka Council area, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS News.